Hello, my name is Dennis. Thanks for looking at our video today. I own a construction company by the name of Home Rehab Pros Incorporated. In fact, it's the name of my YouTube channel as well. And one of the things I really like to do is teach and instruct people how to do construction work. What would qualify me to do that? Well, I've been doing construction work for 45 years. And I've done a variety of things. For years, my specialty was drywall. I've drywalled, I've hung, I've installed, I've taped and finished millions of square foot of drywall, residential work, commercial work. I've also extended into the steel stud activity. We built offices, we built other buildings. I've done a lot of structural work. We've also done suspended ceilings, and that's one of my favorite things to do, actually. I really enjoy doing that. And, we've done some commercial door installations, and that's always been an enjoyable thing for me. Today, what we're doing as Home Rehab Pros is we do a lot of work on rental properties and investment properties. And most of them are not our properties, but we, for clients, will go into a home and completely rehab a project. New flooring, we'll paint the walls, we'll do drywall repairs, we'll put new LVT or ceramic tile, we'll do new tub surrounds, new kitchens, cabinets, countertops, the stove vents, all the plumbing work that has to go into it. We do a lot of electrical work on these projects. And, we get a rough-looking house looking really, really good so that the investor can either flip that house or they can sell it as a turnkey property because now they've filled it with a tenant and they can sell it to an investor who's looking for that. We also do rent readies, and what I mean by that is we'll go in after a tenant leaves, we'll paint, we'll fix the garbage disposal, we'll clean it, we'll put new window blinds on, we'll make sure that that house is ready for a tenant to walk it and decide to move into it. So we have so much experience. It's me and 4 other guys, and they work really hard and they're very, very good technicians. So we're looking forward to using our expertise and our desire to teach and instruct people on our YouTube channel. But you won't just see me, you'll see some of the guys that work for me too, and we're all family, so we all get along pretty good. But what I'd like from you, if you are willing, is in the comment section of the video, please tell us what you would like to see. Do you want to see how to change a 2-prong outlet to a GFI so that it passes code? Do you want to see how we install a new sink or perhaps glaze a bathtub? And maybe you want to see the process of putting concrete tile backer around a bathtub and then tiling that. Maybe you want to see how to take an old window out and put a new window in. We do that as well. Painting, whether it's a ceiling, walls, installing trim, installing ceiling fans. We do all of those things, and we'd love to show the average homeowner or the do-it-yourselfer how to do that and save money on your own. So most of these things are very doable, from drywall patching to fixing a door problem to painting the walls. We can help you with any of those things. So in your comments, please tell us what you would like to see. We're interested in showing the videos that you want to watch. So just let us know, and we're looking forward to making these videos and creating the content that you want here on YouTube from our company, Home Rehab Pros.